Hello everyone, my name's Gigi. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a really quick project that revolves around the ocean. Here's some materials that we'll need. You'll need a cup of water and some brushes, watercolor paint, paper, a pencil, and a black marker. Let's dive in. This project is definitely tropical themed. We're going to be taking kind of like the beach vibes here. So I'm going to be going in with a lot of blues, a lot of purples, and really doing kind of like an analogous color scheme with blue, purple, and pink. Really kind of getting that like galaxy ocean type of feel. You want this one to be really blended, so make sure that your brush is nice and soaking wet and really keep that pigment in that watercolor very fluid. We're going to be blending a lot of the colors together, so feel free to layer on that water, but don't make it too drenched where your paper's literally falling apart. When I got to this point, I really thought I was going to switch it up and go for like a space theme, but I ended up still sticking with the beach theme in the summer tropical vibe. And with that, just let it dry for about 10-20 minutes and then come back and we can start with the line art. Now for the line art for this one, it kind of really stuck out to me like the clam shells and oyster shells, how they almost look like a teardrop shape. So I kind of combined just circles and teardrop shapes and lines to create this kind of clam, like scallop type of shell. Really, it's not about accuracy at this point, it's more so just getting the overall shape. Have fun with it and feel free to kind of let loose. And with that, the project's done. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, stay happy, healthy, and hydrated. We'll see you next time.